So now the question is, what do you do? Do you lock in at these rates? Do you keep waiting? Do you float? Do you put in your application? Well, here's what I want to advise you guys to do. I'm not sure. I don't know what your situation is, but if you're on the fence right now looking to possibly buy or refinance, here's some suggestions I have for you, because the CME FedWatch tool is basically telling us the Federal Reserve is going to continue to cut. But what you really have to watch for are the things that we watch for on this channel, like, where the jobs numbers are going. With the Federal Reserve, those are the numbers the Federal Reserve watches. Plus, there's all kind of other things that we focus in on. But if you're confused with all this, here's what I'd ask you to do. Federal Reserve is going to cut. The probability of that is basically 100%. So to be prepared for this, and if rates do go plummeting down to the point where, hey, you might want to say, okay, I want to refinance, let's go to my website. So if you're looking to even buy a house, I just want to explain to you briefly who I am and what I do. So I'm actually a federally licensed mortgage loan officer. So I'm in all 50 states as well as Puerto Rico. So if you're out there needing some assistance, I've been doing this for over 30 years. I'd love to help you. The unique thing we have here is we have a slogan. It's one application, one credit pool. We're going to compare your loan to over 30 different lenders. Now, how do we do that? Well, we're set up kind of like a brokerage, but you can't say we're a broker because we're a bank with a federal license. So we're set up with 33 other lenders right now. These are banks, credit unions, and other lenders to help make sure when you call us, you're getting the best services in town, because we're going to shop your loan to over 30 different lenders to assure you have the lowest rates and lowest fees in the market. We're also going to assure you're in the right program with our years of experience in doing this. So if you're looking to buy a house, check out this tab right through here. This is a program that will give you up to $7,000 in down payment assistance. You don't have to be a first-time home buyer. And if you go up through here, this is a new RateWatch tool. So if you're watching this and you're like, Dan, I think rates are going to go down. I'd like to be in a position I can take advantage of it. Well, go to the RateWatch tool. This is RateWatch 2.0. So if you already filled out the old one, scrap that. We're going to move the data over. But if you want to refresh your data, go into here, fill out the form. What it's going to do is we have a whole new system that's automated, and I am going to control this thing behind the scenes. So don't be surprised if that rate hits. What you're going to do, you're going to put in the rate you want to refinance at, and when that rate hits there, I'm going to reach out to you. So don't be wowed if I give you a call, text, or email saying, hey, your RateWatch triggered. Let's go over what that new payment's going to be, what your savings is going to be, what the cost is, and what your break-even point is. If it works, we'll get you locked in, the paperwork started. If not, we'll just add you back to the RateWatch tool with a little bit lower rate. So when it triggers again, I'll reach out to you once again and we can run through the numbers.